Are you wondering lights on the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime? Ever had a light pop up and thought, is this serious or can I keep driving? And what about that high-tech cluster? Do you know how to make the most of it? Stick around, because today we're diving into the dashboard warning indicators and the incredible features of 2024 Toyota Prius Prime.
Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle. Main meter in center position. Main meter moved to the right.
Cluster indicators. Master warning light. Brake system. Warning light. ABS warning light. Charging system light. Engine oil warning light. Check engine light. Motor-driven power steering. Engine coolant temperature. Automatic transaxle warning light. LED headlight warning light. Forward collision alert. High beam on light. Lamps on reminder. Low fuel warning light. Check fuel cap warning light. Seat belt warning light, front seat. Low washer fluid level warning light. Door ajar warning light. All-wheel drive lock. Tire pressure monitoring system. Key warning light red. Wrench indicator light. Smart city brake support light. StabiliTrak off light. Traction control system. Shift position indication. Turn signal. Security indicator. Cruise main indication. Driver mode control light. Select mode indicator. Front passenger airbag deactivation indicator. Key indicator light green.
Hybrid system overheat. Low outside temperature. Ready indicator. Re-see indicator. EV indicator. Electric vehicle drive mode. Eco drive mode. Hybrid battery charge mode. Charging cable. Auto EV/HV mode. Custom mode. Comfort mode.
Gauges and meters. Tachometer. Temperature gauge. Instrument cluster display. Speedometer. Fuel gauge. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, Each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.